Repeat string to certain length. What is an efficient way to repeat a string to a certain length? E.g., repeat ABC, 7, abkabka. Here is my current code. Is there a better, more Pythonic way to do this? Maybe using list comprehension? For Python 3,
Jason Schirer's answer is correct but could use some more exposition. First off, to repeat a string an integer number of times, you can use overloaded multiplication. So, to repeat a string until it's at least as long as the length you want, you calculate the appropriate number of repeats and put it on the right-hand side of that multiplication operator. Then, you can trim it to the exact length you want with an array slice. Alternatively, as suggested in Pilmod's answer that probably nobody scrolls down far enough to notice anymore, you can use dmod to compute the number of full repetitions needed, and the number of extra characters, all at once. Which is better? Let's benchmark it. So, Pilmod's version is something like 40% slower, which is too bad, since personally I think it's much more readable. There are several possible reasons for this, starting with its compiling to about 40% more bytecode instructions. Note, these examples use the newish // operator for truncating integer division. This is often called a Python 3 feature, but according to PEP 238, it was introduced all the way back in Python 2.2. You only have to use it in Python 3, or in modules that have from_future_import division, but you can use it regardless.
This is pretty Pythonic.